Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to collaborate on Instagram stories in 2025. So Instagram basically allows users to collaborate on stories by tagging others, using add your stickers, and enabling co-authoring features. So let's get right into the video and let's find out how is it possible. So the first step to use the add yours sticker. Open Instagram app and tap on plus sign to create a story. Add a photo, video, or a text. Add a sticker icon and select yours. Write a prompt and post it so others can join in by adding their own stories. The second thing is to tag collaborators. Create your story and tap on the sticker icon. Select mention and tag the Instagram handle of the person you want to collaborate with. They'll receive a notification and can repost your story on their own feed. The third step is to share a story to the third thing which you can do is to share a story to close friends or groups, post a story and tap send to. Choose a close friend or a group chat to make it a private collaboration. And lastly, you can also co-author a story with the Instagram collab feature if it's available. So Instagram is testing story collabs similar to stop to post collaborations. If it's available, you see an option to invite others users to co-author the story. This feature is not yet available to everyone, so keep your app updated to access the latest collaboration tools. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in learning how to collaborate your stories on Instagram in 2025. Thank you so much for watching.